Good evening, Titans. This is Mr. Sturts. This video is going to be over the second part of section 6.1, which deals with 5 properties of exponents. Our core concepts, these are all written down in your student journal, so you shouldn't need to write anything. But the first one is product of powers. We know that the word product deals with multiplication. And now the big thing with these 3 properties is the base number does not change. So if you remember, we have a base, and we have, let's say, 3. We have this is our exponent. Okay, now the base number does not change. So on product of powers, when you have 4 to the 6th power times 4 to the 3rd power, we really have 4 to the 6th plus 3, which is 4 to the 9th power. Okay, the base numbers don't change. With quotient, quotient means division. When we divide 2 powers with the same base, the base stays the same, we're just going to subtract this time. 6 minus 3, so our answer here is 4 to the 3rd power. Now our power of a power is when we have a number, basically another exponent outside of a parenthesis. So when this happens, we multiply together. So the base stays the same. We have 4, now 6 times 3, which is 4 to the 18th power. Okay, let's do a couple of this first one deals with the product property here, the product of powers. We have 3 squared times 3 to the 6th. Again, base stays the same. With product, we multiply, so we're really going to add the exponents. So we have 3 to the 2 plus 6 power, which gives us 3 to the 8th power, which if you type that in your calculator, you're going to end up getting 6,561. Okay, now B, we have division. There's actually supposed to be a negative here, -4. Division, same base, okay, and we're going to subtract our exponents this time. So what we have is -4, 2 minus 7 is -5. Okay, if we rewrite that using our negative exponent property here, we're going to put that in the denominator. So what we really have is 1 over -4, changes it to positive, which is equal to 1 over -4 to the 5th power. That's going to be -1024. Okay, so the whole thing's -1024. Okay, and let's solve C over here. It's getting a little messy. This is what we called our power of a power property. Okay, there's another exponent outside, so we really have, we're going to multiply our exponents. 4 times -3, we have z to the -12th power. Now we have a negative exponent, so we're going to use our property. We're going to put it down in the denominator. 1 over z to the 12th power. Okay, and that's using our quotient of powers, our product of powers, and our power of power properties.